Welcome Semper Solaris to ADP Time and Attendance Training. In this video, I'm going to explore the individual time card with you. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and log into workforcenow.adp.com. Here, if you scroll down, you can access your time card by clicking the My Time Card button, or you can go to Myself, Time and Attendance, and My Time Card. I have this test employee set up to show you a few of the features of the time card. Some of these features are not available in test mode. However, let's just take a look at the time card itself. Currently, we're viewing a range of dates on this time card from 11/23 through the 30th of November. I chose this range of dates because I put data in here as a test employee. However, you can always drop down and look at the different dates by a current pay period, the next pay period, a previous pay period, or again, by entering a range of dates. Let's take a look at the tabs associated with the My Time Card. We're looking at the time card itself, so we're in the Time Card tab. Next to that is the Totals tab. You'll see here that it breaks down your hours by pay code. We also have a Schedule tab, and currently we're not using schedules, and the Time Off Balance tab. Another place where you can see your time off that is available. Let's go back to the time card. So there is a couple things that you can do here in your time card. One of them is add a note. For example, if you clocked in today, but were not able to clock in with notes, you could access your time card tomorrow and put a note on that day. Let's go ahead and put a note on this time card. You want to toggle over here to what's called the time card menu. When you click the menu, you have access to view transaction details and add a note. Let's put that note in there. When adding notes, you're telling your manager that the time card needs attention. You want to be very specific. So we're going to let your manager know that you got in the office on this day at 7:25 a.m. Let them know in at 7:25 a.m. ADP unavailable. That way, they'll go in and edit your clock in time to 7:25 a.m. Here we're applying the note to the row of the adjustment that needs to be made. And here's the reason. Here you can drop down and change the reason. We're going to put edit. You're asking your manager to edit the time card. Click OK. Now let's go back to that day, and I'm going to show you what the note looks like. It's going to have a blue box, and if you hover over it, it will display the notes. And that's how easy it is to add a note. The other thing that you would do in your time card is approve it. Because we're in test mode, the Approve Time Card button is not available. If I hover over it right now, it's telling me that it's only available for the current and next pay periods. Also, it can't be approved until all exceptions are cleared. That's your manager's job. So it's really important that you communicate with them and are clear on any edits you're requesting. However, if we were at the end of the pay period and all edits were done, you would want to approve your time card. And simply all you do is log in and click Approve. Once you approve it, you'll get a little green check mark saying Employee Approved. And that's pretty much a tour of the individual time card in ADP Workforce Now on the desktop version. Thanks for attending.